Alright, guys. Man, dude, that's sad if y'all gonna lose to fucking Olympia and a stakeout.
Oh, they didn't give me a shot.
But they could use that. They using shotguns. We could use whatever.
That's fucking pathetic.
I'm using my
Bro,
shotgun.
Yeah, that's fucking.
No, Mama can suck. No, he ain't leaving at 10. It's 10 o'clock anyway. She ain't leaving, so she can suck my dick. Black Ops. First class. Oh, you didn't do yours.
Defeat all that stand before us.
No, I got right.
We've taken the lead.
Oh, I got first blood.
Yeah, y'all both got that shit. One of y'all killers on the right, one of y'all killers on the left.
And you heard us say, okay, one of us go right, one of us go left. What a hoe. That's what I don't like, dude. What are you using, Gavin?
Behind. How did you let him kill you?
Cause I thought you was alive. Die alive.
Yeah, Blaze, you died.
That nigga didn't even know what the fuck. Nigga didn't even know what the fuck I was and they killed me. No, dude, no. Fuck this shit.
You mad, bro?
Care package ready for delivery. Marked it easy.
Alright. Wish you would've gave me time to fucking use this shit.
And I have 2 shots in your shotgun.
Bitch.
Oh,
Suck
yeah.
my dick.
Oh, yeah, Blaze. Very happy for you, dude. Finally got 1 kill.
Sentry gun ready. Show us where
Oh,
you
my bad, 2 kills.
Bitch. Suck on my dick. Okay, asshole. Really, an airplane?
You were
Oh.
gonna use my gun?
You have a sentry gun?
Okay, asshole. You gonna try and use an airplane?
Fuck you, Dylan.
Bitch.
Our spy plane's in the air.
Fucking asshole. Who you is, boy?
Oh, dude, you got them both?
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
Oh, come on, I'm
Here
gonna
we-
kill both of them.
Wanna quit?
Dude, y'all are getting spanked.
Bitch. Suck my dick. Fuck!
Bitch.
Coach.
Friendly care package inbound.
On through.
I got mortars.
Mortar coordinates received. Firing for effect.
I got them in the back, 2 in the back and 1 in the middle. I got that 1. Did they quit? No, they didn't quit. Oh, Blaze, god damn it, you son of a bitch. Dude, I almost had my attack helicopter.
Прикрой меня! Перезарядиться!
Oh, dude, what the fuck ever. Blaze trying to be cool and use a shotgun.
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
One on each you.
Care package ready for delivery. Marked it easy.
I know, dude. I'm 10 and 5 with fucking shotgun. With an Olympia. With a fucking Olympia.
Friendly RCXD deployed.
Oh, we gotta get him. He's in the middle. Trying to use the Olympia like me. Hey, Blaze.
Не будь я пошла! Tango down!
Got one in the middle. Got in.
Не будь я пошла!
Oh, what the fuck is
Не будь я
Dude, it's 28 and 14. We're spanking them by double.
перезарядиться!
God damn it, Gavin. Scared the living shit out of me. I'm gonna try to stake out. I'm gonna try to have Blaze's own gun against him. That's when you know you're bad. I got, it's his friend, Blaze is in the house. Oh,
Не будь!
then Blaze's friend on the outside. I got that one on the outside. Oh, fuck. No, Blaze is still in the house. On switch.
Kill confirmed! Light him up!
Dude, if I was blazing them, I'd be using fucking machine guns.
Target neutralized!
See, that's the only... Dude, if the Olympia had about 4 bullets in it, this thing would be an animal.
Прикрой меня! Перезарядиться! Перезарядиться! Он убит!
Most people, it's 1 shot or 2.
Меняй магазин!
You can't tell me that the Olympia wouldn't be an animal if it held 4 shots.
Не будь я! Перезаряжай! Need an evac!
Friendly spy plane inbound.
Hello, Blaze. Oh no, his friend was right there.
Перезаряжай!
Friend was sitting right there holding a grenade.
Осколочная!
Ooh, Blaze. Ooh, that motherfucker got me. You stuck me with that one. I'm gonna lie.
Friendly care package on the way.
Changing mag!
Victory is near. Keep fighting.
One's in garage. It's fucking ammo. I'm gonna take it anyway. Yeah. Oh, Blaze, you fucking nice thing. What a bitch.
Заряжаю!
20 and 12,
Care
dude.
package
That's
ready.
24.
Show us where you want it.
Challenge!
Well, you are kind of using.
Sticky going out! Enemy contact!
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
Я пошла! Кидай!
Dude, it's just funny. They got together 15 kills. Thanks. Bet your Blaze is in the house. On the stairs. You got him. I bet you he's fucking pissed. Wait, they have one behind me? Make it cool.
Tossing sticky! Домовуха!
Ooh, shit.
With it.
I tried, but I was like, oh, well, fuck it. Hey, Blaze.
Okay, I'm gonna play Madden.
Dude, you're bad, Blaze. Look, I was like, what the hell? Look at me. Boom.
Put it this way, this is the only game that y'all could beat me in.
Yeah.
Well, you know what I meant, bitch, like army games.
No, I could beat you in a skateboard game.
Bet you can't.